Today you're riding shotgun with me. I have some business on Galveston Island. We have a place down there, and going down there to address that business. Gonna make some Texas time right now. Some Texas time. The fishing pier is all washed out, gone. All gone. Hopefully they'll rebuild that. So, oh, there's the truck. There's the truck. See that truck? The truck was sitting on there for over a year. It was just washed in, and it was just tangled up in the pilings. It's pretty cool. Coming into the subdivision. That's a public beach right there. See that house over there? There used to be another road in the front, but now we just have this road. That road all got washed away with all the houses that were on the other side of that road. Anyway, let me park and get my business taken care of. Alright, y'all. I'm sorry about the wind noise. We're on the beach. As you can see, these posts represent property line. They're going to put another road back in there. That used to be a road, and where I'm standing right now is where houses used to be. If you look down the beach, this used to be a row of houses. Okay, y'all, that's what you call beach erosion. You see the cement under that house? People used to park their cars on top of that. And as you can tell, these houses are now currently basically in the surf. And why they haven't torn them down yet, I'm not sure. Another view of the house on the other side. Turn around, you see all the beach homes here, been repaired. Then you got this one. This one's relatively untouched, except it's sitting on the beach now. And the cement slab, if you see those cross members, that's where it used to be. This is always cool. You look straight up into the stairwell going into the house. You got your light and everything. So the house is fully complete, but it's got a porthole going into it. See up in there, kind of surreal. Got a ceiling fan. And basically, it's somebody's home. They're just not here. At this level, 5-6 feet of sand is now gone. Spinning around, you can see how far this road went. The whole road disappeared. Whole road, all gone. And what they did is put these posts in. They're going to come back in and rebuild the road and let these people, now they'll be the beachfront property. More septic tanks. Like I said, those used to be buried under sand. Now about, you know, totally buried. Hey y'all, just wanted to show you the cement for this house used to be right in here. Okay, people used to pull under here and park their cars. So 4 to 6 feet of sand gone. That's what they're talking about when they say beach erosion. So in your front yard, dig down 4 feet, throw all that dirt away, and there you go. It's really amazing. I've been down here for a long time. This isn't the first row. There's another row of houses from this. As the storms come in, they just steadily get washed and washed and washed. You got to see this. It says Shark Trips, Bay and Offshore, peelingline.com. We found this under our house. I have no clue where it came from, but obviously some type of charter, and he is online, so I'm going to give him a little heads up. It's called peelingline.com. I want to check it out. Tell him I sent you. Okay, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that little rendition of Galveston Island rebuild after Hurricane Ike. I'm going to go down and get me about 10 pounds of shrimp since I'm down here. And definitely going to go home and drop them into grease. If you check out my other videos, I do have a couple of deep fried shrimp videos. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.
They're going to do the right thing, but in the end, you know, they're just going to disappoint you. You got to put yourself